Okay, today I'm gonna make lemon brownies. I haven't made this before, which, you know, you're probably learning that's how I roll. I already zested 2 lemons. I'm gonna zest another. This is your zester. I've also used this for grating fine, hard cheeses and even butter for certain pie recipes. So I'm just gonna take like this. Now, if you do it on top, it won't fall out, and that's kind of nice if you're just doing it over a small area. I have a big bowl, so I don't have to worry about it, but just get the lemon nice and zested as much as you can. Be careful of your fingers because nobody wants blood in there. It's a little trickier once there's the skin's off because these get slippy. And it definitely helps if the lemon's firmer. So your lemon's gonna look like that. Get all that yumminess off. And then the recipe calls for squeezing the lemon zest between your fingers. Get that oil really shine, come out. And then I already pre-measured 300 grams of sugar. Put that in there. I'm gonna get that moved around a little bit. So it starts. And then it calls for 2 eggs. And that's it. Now, it calls for a whisk attachment for you to whisk it. I happen to have a whisk attachment for my beater, so I'm going to use that because I do not want to do that by hand. To whisk it for 2 minutes, so either time it or if you're a beater like mine, it'll time it for you. It's gonna look like that when you're done. And next we'll do the rest. Okay, so I melted the butter it calls for and let it cool down a little bit before I put it in. Push it around a little bit. I realize I used the wrong size bowl for this, so we'll see how this goes. Now, I'm gonna start this out of the bowl because it slows down. That combined. Now for vanilla, salt, and everything else. Let me get the salt. Now I called for unsalted butter, so now you have to put in the amount of salt you like and desire. This calls for a teaspoon. Oh man, I wish you could smell the butter already. All right. Since we have an overabundance of lemons, this is perfect. And then I'm going to put in the vanilla. Now, it calls for a tablespoon of lemon extract, but I do not have lemon extract and I have an abundance of lemons, so I'm gonna just squeeze out a lemon. And these things are your friend, let me tell you. Okay. Get a tablespoon right here. And we'll whisk it up. Remember, with this one started out. Called for whisking vigorously. Pretty sure we got that. Okay, So we're using our handy dandy weigh scale, and we need 260 grams of all-purpose flour. So and again, this is really nice for people who, you know, don't like to waste stuff and also like to get the recipe right. And for those who, you know, have busy lives and children or other people, things interrupting them. All right, 260 grams. Now it calls for folding it in. Those sides. Whew, this recipe just barely fit in here. KitchenAid probably would have been easier, but this works if you don't have one. And you could hand whisk if you don't have a beater, although I'm not a fan of that because it's a lot of work. But you know, if you want an arm workout. Make sure you scrape down those sides, get all that flour incorporated. This batter is really nice and delicate with all that whisking. Cannot wait to try these because they smell freaking amazing. And you can probably hear the oven on. Get it going to 350. I put mine on a little bit late, but it's fine. It usually heats up pretty quick, so don't worry about it. All right, make sure all that's in. And that's what it's gonna look like, thick batter. Then greased up pan. Throw it in. You know, that would be really good. It's like white chocolate or something in here as well. Or on top, maybe even. I like to try things first the way that the author intended them to be, and then change it up. Some people I know, they're not quite like that. And smooth it out, get it even. You can see those beautiful lemon zest flecks. Well, maybe you can't, but I can. Okay, get that off the thing. That's some thick batter. Side up a little bit there. Making sure it's fairly even across. All right. That's it. Now it goes into the oven. Okay, now that it's at 350, and you can see I've cleaned up my work area. It is time to put these bad boys in. Not burn yourself too. All right. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's check the brownies. Oh, yeah, those are definitely done. All right, get them out. That's it. Now I will make a glaze for them, and that will be that. Lemon brownies with a lemon glaze. Can't wait to see what they look like inside.